we're back with another video, and I'm here with
Noah Vlogging Channel,
Jackson's World, and it's part 2 of Chainsaw Man and my duo. But yeah, Neo, I repeat, meet me at the movies. Neo,
yes,
meet me at the movies.
messy bob hair. Okay, I need to spell something.
Messy bob hair. Who are you being?
A girl, bro. What do you think I'm being?
Oh wait, I just realized you're out of town with your parents. Sorry to disturb you. Neo, you heard me? I said sorry to disturb you.
Heard.
Just go to house 14. I'll see you there. I caught you on 4K. Wait, that's not Neo. Duo?
I am Mano.
Leno? Menno. It's not Mano. Look, Menno.
No, babes.
Come on. Come on. I'm ready for you, duo. Now let's get in the house. Have some Have
Some what?
some party time.
What did he say?
You know somebody's in your house, right? I'm joking, that's me. Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? Menno, where's the bathroom? This is your house. Menno,
What?
where's the bathroom? This is your house.
It's different.
No, forget it. I'm going to get my own house. And if Dad comes back, tell him I left out of town. Because you're not listening to me. No, you're not, Menno. Leave. Just get my own house.
What do you want?
I'll just get my own house. But anyways, guys, let me just get in my house. Don't mind the background. Too much flavor melting on my tongue. This is not the meme channel. Hold on.
Wait, what? Recording on.
Brody, what are you doing?
It's time to go.
Sorry guys, don't mind the background. That's just something else.
Guys, that's James World.
Alright, stop. Just stop. Stop recording, because why you just said my name out like that?
I said James World.
Jeremy, actually, just stop recording. Yeah.